The topic of this video is how to use keyframes in CapCut PC. So here we are on CapCut PC, and I have a random clip that I just dragged in, and we're going to drop this clip onto the timeline first. So now once we've clicked on our clip, we will have the video tab on the right, and anything that has these little diamonds on the side can be keyframed. So the first thing to do is to be at the exact point that you want to keyframe. So we'll start at the beginning of the clip. And when you are at your preferred position, let's say we're doing scale, then you want to click on the diamond and it should turn blue. So that is your first keyframe set. Now, when we move our playback button and we adjust the scale, it will automatically make a new keyframe. And we can do this as we go. So it'll animate anything in between those two keyframes. And when we play it back, you can see the keyframes in action. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.